here's Walmart MoneyCard app. So let's just install it. Double click to install. It's a separate app. It's not a Walmart app. It's less popular. But yeah, these are the accounts where you can get pay up to 2 days early with direct deposit. You can earn cash back 3% on Walmart.com, Walmart Full Station, Walmart stores. Share the account. Get up to $200 overdraft protection. So yeah, usually this is like a card for probably Walmart employees. Some other occasions, if you like shopping at Walmart and all of that. And then yeah, you can just all right, so probably it's only works in specific location, and then you can just open your account in this app. Either you have a card in your hand, then you can just activate and start with your card, and then you can just log in or create an account from this app.